Oh!
All right, guys, I'm super excited to be here at Fremont Skate Park with you. And we have a skateboard, a brand new skateboard deck. We have grip tape too, right? Yeah, we have grip tape too, and we can give them grip tape. So don't worry, they'll have grip tape. Because I know when we give just a board, you guys get really upset because they don't have grip tape. So we're gonna search this park, and we're gonna ask some people to do some tricks, and we're gonna see if they can, and we're gonna give somebody a brand new skateboard deck. Let's go. I'm pretty sure that is Louis Barletta. He's legendary. Yeah, boy. All right, sir.
I'm gonna redo that one.
Can you do a trick for us? What do you got in the big bowl? I thought he was just gonna drop it on this, and he's like, to the big bowl. To the big bowl it is. Let's go. Let me check out your board.
Pretty new.
Oh, it looks pretty new.
Yeah.
It's pretty new.
Just got it.
It says weirdo on it though, so that's kind of scary, huh?
Here's the yellow one.
All right.
I gotta wear shoes at the park bet.
Wear shoes at the park? Oh, we're gonna get a trick from you. Oh my gosh. Those are like the sickest pads I've ever seen, ever. They look incredible. What are you gonna do in the big bowl?
Fakey stalefish.
A fakey stalefish? Worst board at the park.
Dude, do I qualify?
No.
Look at that thing though. Look, it's got like chipped teeth.
That's true. That's true.
Oh man.
You might just
Can
have the
I
worst
do
board.
it?
How upset would people be if we gave it to Carlos?
That would be so funny.
It would be so wrong.
Nah, I'm good. I have a board in the car.
But he's gonna do a fakey stalefish in the big bowl. What? You just tell us where to go.
No way. Deep end.
Wait a second. How old are you?
Almost 12.
Why is it that the younger kids are just so much better at the big bowl? Are you gonna just drop in right here? Is that the scariest thing you've ever done your entire life?
No.
Okay, props to you. Uh-oh. Get a helmet on that kid.
Insane. Carlos is stuck in there forever.
Oh no.
Wow.
Wow.
Got a trick for us?
Not really, no.
Nothing? Anything. Literally anything. Just
I
a
can
push.
barely ollie.
Just to shove it. Drop in on a bank. Ride down a...
Really nothing.
Just walk in the grass and then walk off. Oh! Get his back.
I can kind of do an ollie.
You can do an ollie. You
Sometimes.
can. Yes! That was sick. First try. You guys got a trick for us? Yes! That is the bluest grip tape I've ever seen. I love it. You got a trick for us?
Oh.
Anything.
Anything?
Anything.
Oh, line that.
Oh. It's okay. It's okay.
Come on, Micah. Oh.
Right here for a Jamba Juice.
Right now? No, Micah.
Right here. Right here. Oh! He wanted that Jamba Juice.
I have two boards, guys. Hi.
Oh! Just a little bit less front foot. Oh! Oh! Yeah. You killed it. You crushed it.
Thanks.
You got a trick for us?
Trick for you guys?
Yeah, anything. Wow, look at this board.
That was actually given to me from a random person at not PLA, a skate park somewhere. I forgot where.
I like
was,
it. Do a trick, any trick.
Oh! The hardest trick ever.
Hardest trick ever, River Hill.
Wow! Green stain on it. Dang.
Oh! Yes!
Wow.
Yes! Wow. You had sunblock this whole time, Gabe, and we're all at 3rd-degree
I put
burns?
sunblock on before I came.
Yeah, right.
Alright.
We want you.
We want
what do you
you.
got? Let's trick where? Oh wait, do the thing down the 5. Boneless the 5.
You got it. Yeah.
So what are you doing, Gabe? What are you doing with that thing? I do not care. I do not want to see it. Ah, bear. What are you doing, huh? Well, you got a long nose like your dad. You wanna do some tricks on the bank? On the hip? You wanna do some tricks on the hip? You got it, dude. Anything. Anything. Yeah. Dude, that was incredible. Dang! Back to back to back to back to back. To back to back. These guys are crushing it. Tried to get his back and he almost jumped over him. There he is.
Who's this kid acting a fool?
Me.
My son,
Yeah, I'm adopted.
Arlos.
Thank you.
You got a trick for us? Anything.
The skateboard's over there.
Well, you got a skateboard right there.
I
Just
can't-
cruise, dude.
I can't do it with this one.
Yes, you can.
Try to open.
First try. Yeah, boy, let's go. Now we got these guys.
Nigel, you land this, and I will do nothing but give you a high five.
Oh! What? I'm so sorry. I did it.
I wanted to give you a hug, but I told you I'd only give you a high five, so I have to stay to my word.
Did it. Wow.
Carlos got a request for a late flip.
A late flip. Okay, let's go. I'm just hype man. Hype man. Even when he shouldn't land, he lands everything.
Yep.
Oh, what? Yeah. If you land the Ollie, I'll give you the board. Right here.
Ollie?
Just an Ollie.
All right,
First
just
Ollie
Justin.
ever. He's never done it. It's first Ollie down the 5.
He hasn't done it. I've Ollied it before.
Oh, I'll give you the board then.
Yeah.
Oh, you got that. You got that. Right here. He's never Ollied a 5. This is progression. Oh my God. Wow. If he lands that late shove, I will buy him a Jamba Juice. Oh my gosh. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Don't let the dark side bring you down. Oh, come on. Okay. Don't let the dark side take you over, my friend.
Great Scott!
Great Scott! He broke the sound barrier with a slide.
The sound bear?
Show me.
Oh, wow, you got that.
When we film a movie about Nigel, you'll play his son. I mean, his young self. Come on!
Full wang dang right here, brother.
Dang, dang it, dude. Make some noise. The
Can't
live
believe
studio
we
audience
turned
is
that
like.
into a thing. Isn't that ridiculous?
You got it. You got it. You got it. It's for you. Take it.
no
Happy
way.
birthday. Yeah.
Thank you
Your
so
first Ollie
much.
down the 5-stair.
Thank you so much.
See, work hard and
Yeah.
you shall prevail. There
Yeah.
you go, buddy. Good job, man.
Thank you so much.
Dude, of course. Happy
Dude,
birthday.
I love Braille so much.
Appreciate it, man.
I watch him every day.
We got grip tape for you too. We got the grip tape. Yeah, well, it's in my car. I'll give it to you. Oh! I'm gonna go ahead and count that. I mean, it's 2 to make it true. I mean, it's pretty good. We'll just count it. A lot of times we give away the skateboards and then people in the comments are like, he didn't get grip tape. So I am gonna prove to you right now that we're getting him grip tape. It's in my car though. I gotta go get the grip tape. Calm down, Gabe. Calm down. It'll be okay. It's nice to be outside with all the kids. You got a trick? Any trick? Can you do a trick for us? Just literally anything. Just that. First try. Thank you.
The king of making awkward situations at the skate park.
King of awkward. La da 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 da. Daylight coming, me wanna give the grip tape to the guy. If you got the grip tape.
It's so sick.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Keep killing it.
I will. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
You guys inspire me. It's awesome.
You inspire us. It's true. It's true. Check out all those other videos right there. Hope you had a blast watching this one. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and rank up at brailleskateboarding.com. We'll see you in the next video.